And cops pounce on a suspected serial bank robber after he did something that made him easy to catch.
You know the cliche, he went to the well once too often? Well, the mustachioed Albuquerque bandit who hit the same bank twice, just 3 days apart, is ruining that decision tonight.
4 of the 5 banks he's suspected of hitting have all been on the same street, so cops were cruising the area. Here's News 13's Crystal Gutierrez.
Jessica, witnesses inside New Mexico Educators Federal Credit Union called police saying they think the repeat robber was there and struck again tonight. Now, just minutes ago, the FBI said tonight's suspect is 35-year-old James Charles Mullahan. Police were all over him.
It happened so fast. Another bank heist on Coors near Sequoia. The armed robber makes a run with the cash, but this time he's tased and taken down a parking lot away. The gun used to terrorize tellers, now sitting harmlessly on the asphalt. Police got to him so fast as if they were crawling all over Coors, waiting for the robber to strike again, and he did. Well, the FBI has asked us to blur the suspect's face so it doesn't compromise a photo lineup. We can tell you he looks a lot like this man. And yes, the mustache is real. The FBI has been looking for him for 3 weeks, suspected of first hitting a bank of Albuquerque January 12th, also on Coors and Sequoia. A surveillance picture shows our first glimpse of the robber with the recognizable mustache. Then, last week, he struck again, this time at U.S. Bank on Montgomery. This week, one robbery after another, getting more and more brazen. He held up a Walgreens in Old Town at gunpoint and 3 more banks on Coors. The New Mexico Bank and Trust near Montano, a Wells Fargo near Sequoia, and the New Mexico Educators Federal Credit Union at Sequoia, where he flashed a gun. It's the same bank that was robbed late this afternoon. Witnesses inside the bank told police they recognized today's robber as the same man from the other day. And again, he had a gun. Tonight, police unloaded several rounds from his gun, and they found a bandana full of cash, too.
Now, at this time, the FBI will not confirm if tonight's suspect, Mullahan, is the same guy from all the other robberies. Back to you.
Okay, Crystal, the FBI was pretty confident they'd get their man, saying it catches more than 80% of bank robbers in Albuquerque.